Hi there, Vic here from SEO Summer, just going to show you how to add someone to your Google business profile. So the very first thing is to make sure that you are signed into the correct profile associated with your Google business profile. Next, type in Google business profile in Google, click the first link, sign in. And then from here, you'll be able to see all of the businesses that you have access to. In your case, it's probably just one. Press see your profile. And then from here, click the three dots at the top. Select business profile settings. And then click people and access. Press add. And then from here, send the email that you want to give access to, so make it an owner or manager and then press invite. And that's all you need to do. That person will then receive an email and you can then they can then help you manage your Google business profile.